Oboe! Hi, buddy. Let's go. This is great shit. Don't even ask. This better shit. I don't know what else is in my fridge. Eggs! More eggs. Beer. Beer needs to go back. Milk. Okay, seriously, you need to find food. Freezer, no. I'm not finding anything. There's peanut butter. No. Powerade! We need one of these. Okay, we got Powerade. Good. Woo! Okay, anyways. Hi, how are you? Did you miss me? That's cool. Anybody ask you where I was? What'd she say? You should have told her about that. She had an allergic reaction to keep some bullshit. Nick emailed me. He's like, where are you? Where were you today? I'm like, I was getting over pink eye. He's like, what? I'm like, yeah. Yes! That's the way to break the mirror. My mom is gonna kill me one of these days. Oh, I'm making videos of me in my house. Look, I chipped it. Oh shit. I'm not leaving.